If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Okay, folks, mail call today, plus whatever in this box. I'm going to try to do some of it today, and maybe the rest in another day. Let's get going with it. Save the small talk for later. Correct, correct.
Does small talk come from a small mind?
Very small mind, but has a brilliant, genius mind.
Oh, yes.
Don't pretend that. There. That's called the attack. So anyway, I got here a Pen Boutique box. Remember, Pen Boutique box. Not just any box, but the box. Pen Boutique box. The box. Hello, Pen Boutique. Are you out there? Okay. And here we go with the Pen Boutique. Da-da-da-da-da-da. From Carla, is that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, that's from Carla.
Well, I got her name right. Hello, Carla, from Pen Boutique. Carla, Bobarla, Bandana, Panna, Fofarla, Fee-Fi, Fomarla. Carla. All right, Carla, here we go. I owe $5,085.29. Okay. And it always comes nicely packed. And here we go. And this is what I needed, believe it or not, ink. Conklin ink that I'm going to show you in a minute. And then, thank you for Lena. Right here. I was in need of these Pelican pens. The Pelican Junior, or the Pelicano, excuse me, Junior. So she sent me out these pens, which I would need to get busy and get them done. And here is peppermint squares. Yum, yum. And here's a little, what you call it, look, a little what you call it. And last but not least, long. So, that sounds like a plan. So let's get going, my friends, with the ink. And I do not believe that I have this ink. That's why I ordered it. I had to have it. I've been having to have it. Like I need the ink now, but yes. All right, here we go. We're going to start with the Conklin fountain pen ink, the vintage purple by Conklin. Not just a purple ink, but a vintage. Can you dig that? I knew that you could. All right, let's go with the vintage. Here we go. Little shake, shake, shake. We'll do a little twist, I think. Okay. Usually we'll twist the paper off. There we go. Oh, I'm going to keep going on it. All right, here we go.
Okay, looking at that bottle makes me want grape Kool-Aid.
Ooh, I like that.
Ooh, we had a little spillage.
Yep. Just a little. Okay. And this was my fault. And I always do this. It's not the way that they Conklin I'm not, ink does it. It's the way that I open stuff up. I just kind of open. So here we go.
Ooh.
Look, like that. I knew that you would.
There's some on the bottle on this side.
Okay. Can y'all say okay? All right, come on, let's get with the system. Come on. How you feeling out there? You feeling sick? So am I, but let's go ahead and fake it and do the okay. That ain't good, Em? Jake Loss, okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can see Jake Loss.
Well, we now have a good example of what the color looks like.
Really? But I wanted to put the color down. Okay, I'm going to again anyway. I don't care. I like that. This is the color of the ink. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. But I got to do it again. I'm sorry. Why not? Because I want to show you all how good looking, boss, terrific, awesome, juicy, appetizing this ink is. Here is number 2, number dos. And then I'm going to do the name game again. The name again. Here we go. Here we go. Now this is one killer, awesome, beautiful ink. Look at this. And this is the Kelly Green.
Yay.
So next, what I'm going to do and then this one, now look at the colors, for real. Look at this beautiful green. You know, it really pops. And same with this purple. For me, don't know about you guys out there, but, you know, I'm digging it. And you got to give credit and love where it needs to go. And, you know, Conklin is just right there, baby. And they're going to be there because they just do some magnificent ink colors. So with that said, I'll put these guys over there, and then later this week, I'll be doing another Click fountain pen, the same as the previous one, but this one will have a totally different nib. Okay?
Okay. I think it is time for a Mr. Announcer giveaway.
Giveaway!
Haven't done one of those in a while.
Bleh.
Okay. So this will be the, how shall we, okay, we'll do the first person who can email me at my address, which you will find on mrannouncer.info. There is a way to contact me. The first person who can tell me in regards to comic books, green and purple, the color combination, 2 parts. What does it have to do with Marvel Comics? And what does it have to do with DC Comics? Got to have both answers be correct. And if you win, you will get your choice of the purple or the green.
Okay, now, wonder who's going to get that. Let's see. That's going to be interesting. Click. I want to talk just briefly about Click again. You know, totally excited about Click. They're putting out some amazing fountain pens. India fountain pens have broken through the time barrier. And And you're going to see more and more of these beautiful pens with the awesome nibs come to life again. Click. You're not going to go wrong for your money. Definitely not. So, you want to click pen, get a hold of Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper, because these are the ones that are carrying them, as far as I know, right now. So that's one. Number two, these pens, and I've got to show you one of them. I've had some requests to do these. To be honest with you, I couldn't find them. So thank you to Lena from Pen Boutique. She went the extra 1,000 miles and found them for me. And I got to show you one right now. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Blue? That is stunning. What do you think? Pelicano.
Definitely love the color.
Pelicano Jr. Beautiful pen. Look at that. Yep. Beautiful. I'm like digging it all over the place. And it's a pull-on, pull-off clap. Click, click, click. And I'll have to wait and show you the other one later. But stunning. And I wanted to say something else. What did I want to say? Oh, who knows? What was I going to say, Mr. Announcer? Yoker's pens. I plan on doing a review on some of their pens that I have that are brand new pens that I haven't had a chance to get to, that I need to get to, that I'm going to get to. And I don't know about you, I love them. I mean, they're amazing pens. They're felt tip pens. And I think it's time I spend a little time and show some love for Yokers. Come on, let's hit it for Yokers. And you can find them over at Pen Boutique. And that's one of the girls if Loretta's not in. Because everybody wants to hear not just Loretta, but the real name is Lena. So, and then of course I think Franklin at Franklin Pens carries them as well, and that could be Mr. Franco Spaghettio, maybe? What do you think? Who knows? Anyway, no. Get a hold of Lena or one of the girls at Pen Boutique, or get a hold of Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper, and let's have just a party brains and knock it out time, because now it's time for the name game. And Lena, you're next. If I mess it up, you can always just turn the channel. Lena, Bobina, Banana, Panna, Fofina, Fee, Fi, Fomina, Lena, the name game. Woo! And I will be doing a demonstration of these writing pens as well. I already did a video on them, but don't we have to do a writing sample of
Yes.
them? Okay. So that's going to be coming up. What did you think of the Fountain Pen Revolution pen that I did a review on? I love it. This is the Orange Crack, I believe.
Cracked ice.
Yeah, I love it. And I think this is the fine, or could it be extra fine? Could be the fine. Very nice fountain pen. Very nice Fountain Pen Revolution ink. And it's called the Tangerine Dream. Well, this milk call is a little different, but that's how I wanted to be different, because I'm different, because I like it and it's cool. So, I guess that's going to do it for now, folks. God bless. Take care. Peace and love. Peace and love. Don't text and drive. And bye-bye.